I am not insane. I was not a beast. I'm not supposed to look like this, to smell like this, and to act like this. I had a future. I had a life. I had an education. I have my plans ahead of me. Everything was going perfectly, but it ended up not quickly. It ended painfully. I'd rather end like this in a snap, not in an excruciating, slow way. Just like in calculus, I could have been derived via power rule, but I took the L'Hopital way, the long, painful way. It all started in calculus.
Have you met that new guy in class? He's weird, but really good in calculus.
I heard about him too. What do you think, Nat?
I don't know. It looks like competition, but hello, he's just a chattery. He's still going to be the top student of that class.
Sorry, y'all.
Natalie is an aggressive student. She wants all A's. She wants to be the best, and when someone's in her way, she eliminates them in many different ways. Stephanie and I were her minions. Everything she say, we agree. Everything she asks us to do, we do it. Everything she likes, we must like as well. Everything.
What up? What up, Dub? What up? Hey, Nanny, look, the guy's here. He's tutoring.
What? I heard Mr. Lender admired his calculus about this.
What up? That is not right. Hey, what up?
Okay, so to find the maximum height, you find the first derivative, which is 196 minus 2 times 1.9 times t, and then you simplify and you get 196 minus 9.8t. And then to find the time where it's at the maximum height, you set it to 0, and then you solve and you get t equals 20. Then you have to test if this is the maximum, so you take the second derivative and you get negative 9.8. Since it's a negative, the critical point is the maximum. So you plug in the 20 into the original equation and you get 3,500 meters for the maximum height. Yeah.
Excuse me, hi, I saw your problem from there and I'm just a little concerned. Answer to this one. Yeah, just simple error.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. You can check.
Oh, that was my bad. Thank you.
That's okay. You're welcome.
Frick you. Actually, it's 3,550 meters. Sorry.
I thought she was joking, but when Natalie wants something, she gets it. I never took her idea of murdering Vaughn seriously, but one day, the news came out.
In today's news, Warrington High School grieves at the tragic death of one of its prolific students. Senior student Vaughn was a hardworking student who met a freak accident while working in his chemistry lab. Investigators concluded that mercury poisoning took the life of a wonderful student. Having transferred for only 2 weeks, many students who have been close to Vaughn grieve in his tragic death.
Do you really think she would do that?
I don't want to.
What do you mean?
I don't want to think that she did so. Look, we both know what Natalie is capable of. When she wants something, she'll do everything, Steph. Everything just to get it.
I don't know, Jenna. She's the reason her rivals got 2 Bs after she sabotaged their lab experiments. I think that's her limit. She can't kill anyone else, Jenna.
Kill who?
Hi,
Nat. Kill who? Kill? What do you mean?
She's just helping me with basic application of derivatives.
Really? So what did you learn?
If the coordinate is given, you derive the given function. If only x is given, you plug in 0 to all x's to get your y.
And then after that, you, Jenna.
Oh, after that, plug in the given x value to the derived function
to get to the slope. After that, plug your slope to the equation with the given x and y values, and then we simplify if necessary.
And what's the equation, Steph?
Y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x sub 1.
I don't want to hear that guy's name again, okay? Basic application is easy. You guys should know that.
So this problem has to do with motion. We know that the equation that relates to the area of a circle is pi r squared. So the first thing we have to do is find the derivative, which is dA over dt equals 2 pi r dt, dr over dt. Are you following along so far? Now we can plug in the values for the rate, which is 4 inches. So it's going to be 2 pi 4 dr dt, and that's equals to 16 pi inches squared per second. Now you have to find dr over dt. Dr over dt equals 2 pi inches squared over seconds. It was him! I swear, it's not him! Maybe Nat's right. Talking and thinking about him will do us no good.
That's not the point, Jenna. He's back for revenge.
Stop it, Steph. Just calm down. It's just your imagination. Maybe you're just panicking. He's dead and he's not coming back.
Where are you? We only have 3 hours to finish our lab report. I'm in the... Hurry up!
Oh, we're on our way. Hold on.
Come on!
Who's that? Natalie. She's waiting for us in the parking lot.
What took you guys so long?
The room was a mess, so we had to help clean up.
Steph, do you have the rubric?
Let's see. Yes, I have the rubric.
Go back to the classroom and check if you left it there. That's right, bitch. What's taking her so long?
I don't know. I'm calling her right now, but she's not answering.
Please, if you guys are not committed, might as well quit. Get out of my car. I'm doing this all by myself. You guys are useless.
Nat, get back here. Listen to me, Nat.
Get off. You guys useless people.
I was the survivor. People thought I was the one who killed my 2 friends, and a person I didn't even know. People looked at me like I am a murderer. Colleges rejected me. My remaining friends left me. I became a loner. I became a loser. I can't believe how she can cope up with those deaths.
Hello, girl. She killed them. That's why she's not that affected.
I guess you're right. I mean, who goes back to school and leaves her after a week of your friend's death? That's just weird.
You tell them.
So this is a problem of possession, velocity, and acceleration. So what I did first was take the derivative of x. Are you okay? Excuse me, I have to go to the bathroom.
And that's how I lost my mind, my future, all because of the hidden horrors of jealousy, all because of friendship, and most of all because of calculus.